Maybe I left it in for a little too long. Maybe we should put on a timer. And at like 3 minutes, check it out. Oh, but we're just gonna keep going because things like that happen when you bake. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. I live in Los Angeles and I'm a huge fan of KTLA, which means that I also watch Jessica Holmes' cooking show. It's called California Cooking. She has a lot of recipes that I think to myself, I could do this. And the one that I'm going to try today is her Dutch baby pancake. So let's try it out. We're here in my tiny kitchen and I'm convinced that if I can do it in my tiny kitchen, you can do it in yours. So let's get started. I need some coffee first though. Also, put your hair back. It is like, when people cook and don't pull their hair back, I don't like it at all. So, we're going to pull our hair back. Give me a second. How we looking? So the first thing we do is we place 1 stick of butter in a 9 by 13 inch glass baking dish in a 450 degree oven until the butter completely melts. Got our butter in our baking dish. Now we're just going to put it into 450 degree oven. The ingredients that we need for this Dutch baby pancake are right here. What we're going to do is we're going to blend the milk, eggs, and flour in a blender. My whole milk here. We're using a cup of whole milk, a cup of flour. Since this is a 1/3 scoop, I'm going to use 3 of them. I'm going to crack these into a bowl just in case I get a little bit of shell. It will be a lot easier to get the shell out of here than trying to get it out of the blender. So. Alright, so it smells like my butter is ready. So maybe I left it in for a little too long. Maybe we should put on a timer. And at like 3 minutes, check it out. Oh, but we're just gonna keep going because things like that happen when you bake. Okay, so got my 6 eggs, no shells. I'm going to put them into my blender here and blend it up. And then all we have to do is just pour this mixture into our baking dish and bake it at 450 degrees for I think 25 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna watch it though, probably do it more on the 25-minute side because that butter was popping, literally. Okay, hopefully I don't hurt myself and I pour this into this baking dish. Now don't touch it because obviously it's been in the oven, so it's gonna be hot. Ooh. Now, let's put it into the oven. Looks done to me. I mean, it's golden brown, it's puffed up. I don't want it to get much more brown than this. Looks like we got a little bit of butter there in the middle. But I just liked a little bit of butter. Alright. So, first time cooking it naturally. I hope it is cooked in the middle. But judging from these deliciously brown sides of this Dutch baby pancake, we are good to go. Mm-hmm. And cut it up, make sure it's done in the middle. We'll see, my little tiny test kitchen here. I'll take it out like a couple minutes early. Let's go for an edge piece, because the edge piece is always delicious, right? Oh yeah. Alright, yeah, I think the egg is done. Now, I'm gonna put some strawberries on here. So, this was it. This is my Dutch baby pancake from Jessica Holmes. The recipe, she said, was actually from Michaela Ferreira, which I adore Michaela. I'm a longtime KTLA viewer, so I know who Michaela is, and I love her. It was delicious. I highly recommend to make this if you are maybe having brunch and want to be able to put something into the oven and still go out and hang out with your guests. This is perfect for something like that. I loved it, and I hope you guys liked my tiny kitchen recipe review as well. So if you do, give it a thumbs up and I'll do more of these. I'm Heather. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Bye!